All right, today is April 9th. This is the day before or after I did the backtesting session, which I got about a, let me just share my screen real quick or bring this down if I can freaking move it. There it is. Got about a 62% win rate. It was at 67, but after I did a few more weeks, about a month of more data, it's around 62% win rate. And something I realized is like it doesn't do too well in ranging markets like right now, right? So let me just go over the trades that I took today. 3 trades max. If it's 2 losses in a row, I'm hopping off. If it's 3 trades in a day, I'm hopping off because that's just it. Like there's no need to take any more trades, to be honest. Because statistically, like a good setup shows up maybe twice a day, especially if it's a range, not a ranging day, a trendy day. But the first trade I took right here, I'm going to remove this just so it's a little easier to see visually. I saw that it's making higher highs, and it's just overall climbing. And if we were on a trendy day, we would retest here and continue to go up, but it failed at previous day value area high and failed again at 9:45 a.m. And so I wasn't really trying to fight past it. That's why TP is before it, but that one didn't work out. I don't see anything wrong with this, to be honest with you. We see that we completely covered this big bearish candle. Now we turn to the downside. I'm thinking, okay, it looks pretty rangy because by this time, 9:30, it looks pretty balanced. I'll just show you real quick. Yeah, it looks pretty damn balanced at this point in time. And so I'm thinking, okay, it's probably gonna go back into value. So I took the short here after it retested at 9:49, and I entered on this candle, did a market order, and hit TP pretty quickly because it was the same candle. And then went down, chop, 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 goes down a little further. I'm thinking, okay, after we chop, it looks like we know where we're going, which is to the downside, which it did, right? For example, if I were to get perfect entry on this, right, like that, go for a 1-to-1, it would have hit. It technically would have hit, but the reason why I didn't want to go for this is because TP is past previous day value area low, and that could act as resistance. I don't really want to fight that. Now, eventually did break through, but from what I've tested, it's not ideal to do that. And so I tend to try to look for the breakthrough to the second level to really confirm that, okay, it's going to continue going in this direction, which it did, and retested, and quote unquote confirmed that we're going to keep going this way. So I entered, but unfortunately rallied up to stop me out, and guess what it's doing right now? It's going to hit my TP, right? We'll see. Hopefully by the end of this little recording, it hits TP, but it's just unfortunate just because I feel like these reads were pretty good. I would say though, the market is a lot more choppy than I would like because the days that it does hit TP very easily is very like trendy. Just it goes a certain direction, and it's very easy to tell where it's gonna go. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna backtest a little more. Well, first edit the video of the first backtesting session, and after that, I'm gonna backtest a little more and take a bunch of screenshots of the overall market conditions of when TP is hit pretty damn consistently, so that whenever I see chop like this, I'll just hop off. Like, yes, I could potentially get lucky and get a winning trade, but I don't want to play those type of probabilities. I want to be consistently profitable, consistently have positive expected value. This time around, I traded 3 contracts, so I did lose a little more. Unfortunately, 133. I think I'm just going to keep trading 1, to be honest. Like, I don't see a reason why to do 3 right now, especially if I haven't proven that I can do this on a, on an actual account with something on the line compared to just back testing. So I'm just going to keep doing 1. Just tried doing 3 because I saw the 62% win rate. I'm like, okay, like this looks pretty good. But again, what you do in backtesting probably isn't identical to what you're doing in the live markets just because, in the moment kind of decisions, right? But I don't think I took any stupid trades, to be honest. It's just a matter of market conditions not working in my favor, but it is what it is. I'm just going to hop off now and work on the video and then do the next backtesting session. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.